Hello everyone, welcome back to the Likee channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download Likee application. So first you open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Then on the search bar you type in Likee, Likee, and tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. Now you just need to tap on install just beside it and wait for the application to be fully installed. Likee is a global short video creation and sharing platform as well as a famous video making application. It is available for the iOS and Android operating systems. It is a free original short video making and sharing platform worldwide with excellent live streams. Likee allows you to create and share fun videos with your friends and followers. You can see here the application has been fully installed. Now you just need to tap on open, and with that the application will open on your mobile phone. So this is how you can download Likee application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Likee channel. Thank you.